Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do the chicken roulade. I've had a lot of requests for it. I've just got a restaurant I worked at for 7 years here in Lincoln. I made a gazillion of them. I really couldn't remember the recipe to the T, but I'm going to try to get it close. So this is for Mr. Dave Berry, Ian, Brooke, Jackie, and also Travis Evans, a chef friend of mine he lives in Kearney now. He owns Sozo there in Kearney, and he Angus Burgers and Shakes in Kearney in Omaha. He's actually got this on his menu there now, so he helped me remember the ingredients for it. So let's go. Here we go. Here are our ingredients for today: cream cheese, butter, shallot, some chopped spinach, got that frozen, grape tomatoes, basil, angel hair pasta, Asiago cheese. I got a little cheese blend, a little 6 cheese blend here, and we're going to use some chicken breast. We're going to take this, we're going to make a stuffing. We're going to stuff our chicken breast, and I'll walk you through that. And then we're going to make a sauce out of that. We're going to use white wine, and it's going to be garlic. I've got my garlic on my board right now. And we'll add the tomatoes to it, and butter, and angel hair. And we're going to finish it with some more basil. It's going to be delicious, guys. Let's get cooking next on Cooking with Corey. Alright, welcome back, guys. So we're going to try to make enough here to do a 2 chicken breasts worth. So what I got in here is 4 ounces of cream cheese. Oh, by the way, I will try to leave some links down to Travis's restaurants down at the bottom there. 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is Asiago cheese that I have shredded. A 1/4 cup. This is chopped spinach. You got to squeeze this out in a towel. You got to get all the water out of it, most of the water out of it. You really got to put the screws to it in that paper towel. Put it in the paper towel and squeeze it like that. It'll drop out and you'll get the dry spinach. A 1/4 cup of spinach in there. I got this 6 cheese blend here. Another 1/4 cup of that goes into there, and then some salt, and pepper. Obviously, I'm getting the pepper down, and obviously salt. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in there, just a little bit of shallot. We're going to mix this up. We're going to get this in a pastry bag. When we come back, we're going to show you how to hollow out the chicken breast, and then we're going to stuff our chicken breast. All you're going to do is mix this up real well. Alright, going to bore you with that. I'll bring it back. Alright, our mixture's done here. As you can see, it's all looking good. Incorporated. This is our stuffing for our chicken. Here I got a pastry bag I put in a big old cup here. It's going to go there. We're going to put our filling in there. Like so. Get it roll out. Bottom. Alrighty. So, take your pastry bag out of your cup. Feed your mixture down to the tip, like so. So it's coming out there. We're ready to stuff some chicken breast. We'll do that next. Alright, obviously I got clean hands. We're going to make a pocket in these breasts to stuff them with. So I go start for the fat part of the breast. You see how it's fatter here. Goes down. These are boneless, skinless breasts. So right at the end here, going to make a decision straight down the middle. You want it straight down the middle, so you're not going through the back, you're not going through the front. You want to get 3/4 of the way down there. What you want to do is you want to take the tip of this knife, I'm going to take it out, and you want to do this on the inside. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just trying to make a pocket in there. Obviously you don't want to go outside of your meat either. Take it, flip your blade around, go back into where you were. And just make you a nice pocket in there. Now we haven't went through the back of our breast, and we haven't went through this part of our breast. And this hole right here, you don't want that to be super big either. You want that just to be big enough to where we can get our pastry bag in there and get our stuffing in there. And then you put your finger in there, make sure you got a nice spot. It's good to go. Got things. We come back. We'll stuff. Alright, it's time to stuff these. So we've made our pocket in there. We got our pastry bag. Make sure everything is at room temp, obviously, before you even mix it. You take a chicken breast, put your tip of your pastry bag in there, like so. Back your bag. And squeeze it in there. We'll plump up, be nice and plump. Like so. There we got it. Just stuffed our chicken breast. Alright, we come back, we will season, get these in a pan for a quick sear, and into the oven. Alright, let's get these chicken breasts seared off here, and then they're going to go to the oven. Some olive oil mixed in the pan there. More chicken breast. This is our other. We're going to leave those there and get some color. Alright, I think it's about time to get these guys flipped and in the oven. Obviously, you always go presentation side down first, so that's why I put the other side down so you can see this. Other side's going to look more pretty. So here we go. Look at that color. Look at that color. Alright, so we are flipped. What we're going to do next, we're going to go into a 425 degree oven. It's probably going to take a good 20, 25 to 30 minutes. Get your thermometer out. Make sure you check it. Make sure you're good on your temps. And so we're going to go from here. When I bring you back, we'll be making pasta and sauce. Go. Alright guys, now we're going to do the pasta side of our roulade. A little bit of olive oil mixed with canola oil. Medium-high heat. Garlic. This is enough for 2. So we're doing 1 fat clove of garlic. Tablespoon of shallot. If you don't have shallot, feel free to use red onion. Or leave it out if you don't like either. And we'll bring you back when this starts to brown. Yeah. Alright, so we're starting to get some color. Go in with our grape tomatoes that I have cut in half. Some blistered a smidge. And I do like to do something right now. I'm going to add just a little bit of basil to that. 1/4 cup of white wine. Let that go down. Add our pasta. so. Add a little salt, fresh cracked pepper, one thing I didn't tell you to do, that you should do, add just a little bit of chicken stock to it, or water, whatever you got, fine. So I cooked this pasta to al dente. It's angel hair. Get that back up. So basically all we're doing is heating that back through. And as you can see right over here, I got my roulades done. Here they are. So let's go back over here. Alright, we're going to finish this with a little bit more basil. I'm going to cut the heat. Pull this from the heat to the side here. Because if you put all that heat on this butter, it's going to break. 2 tablespoons of butter. Going to go in here. You just slowly get that mixed into your pasta. Just a little bit. Hit it with a little bit more pepper. This will make a sauce and it shouldn't break on you. And you can see down here. Can you see that, Jen? Right here, where we got that sauce there. It's not broke. It's a sauce. It's not a watery mishmash of stuff. All right, we bring it back. We're gonna plate it.
Okay, go.
All right, let's plate this bad boy up. We got our pasta. We got some of our delicious tomatoes. And get one of the stars of our show over here. One of our delicious chicken roulades we worked so hard on. I don't know if I told you guys, but I did flip these while they were in the oven once or twice. So we're going to finish with some more Asiago cheese, some more basil. Alright guys, let's cut into him and see how he looks. Look at that. Still nice and juicy, as you can tell up here. Look at all that juicy chickenness. Alright, I'm going to cut a piece off while you guys are watching here. That cheese and that stuff will go down into the, make even more sauce for you. A little bit of the pasta. Our chicken. Oops. It's chicken roulade. Make it your own. Drink a little bit. Or probably add a little bit more chicken stock to make it a little bit more saucy, or you can add a little bit more butter. It's good the way it is. Thanks for watching Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week.